Okay, so I used to have this thing where I'd avoid studying by reorganizing my desk for 2 hours. I'd move the lamp to the left, the right, rearrange my pens by color, convince myself this time it would stay clean. And by the next day, it looked like a tornado had personal beef with me. I was stuck in this loop of organizing, but never actually being organized. If your backpack is finally sorted, but your desk is still giving you anxiety every time you look at it, I feel you. This is the system that actually broke that cycle for me. Type reset in the comments if you're actually done with the chaos. It's like a digital pinky promise to yourself that we're finishing this video with a clean space. No more excuses, bestie. Okay, real talk. The biggest mistake I ever made? Thinking I just needed to clean my desk. I'd spend 20 minutes organizing everything, feel like I had my whole life together. And by Tuesday, it looked like I'd hosted a wrestling match on my desk and lost. Sound familiar? The problem wasn't mess. It was too much stuff. My desk had things I didn't even know I owned. Dried up highlighters, 3 empty notebooks, a charger for a phone I don't have anymore. Basically a graveyard of good intentions. Here's the rule that changed everything. If it doesn't belong to today's work, it doesn't belong on your desk. That's it. That's the whole secret. Let me show you how to actually build that. Here's something those aesthetic study setup videos never tell you. And trust me, I've watched all of them. Your desk needs spots. Not just one big surface where everything lands and nothing has a home. Actual spots, each with a purpose. When I figured this out, I genuinely felt like I'd unlocked a cheat code. Here's how I split mine. Right now spot, directly in front of you. Only what you're working on right now. 1 notebook, 1 pen, your laptop. That's it. If it's not for today, it doesn't live here. Backup spot, to the side. Things you might need but not every 5 seconds. Planner, calculator, 2nd notebook. Chaos tray, a small tray for stuff that doesn't have a home yet. But here's the rule, gets cleared every single night. No exceptions. I'll come back to this. It's the habit that actually holds everything together. Your brain literally learns where things go. And once it does, you stop doing that thing where you stare at your desk for 3 minutes before you can even start studying. Game changer, bestie. Let me guess. You've seen those Pinterest desk setups, matching pastel organizers, aesthetic lamp, tiny plant that never dies. All $200.
Aww.
Yeah, not happening. Here's the thing. You already have everything you need. No desk? A tray on your bed, lap desk on the floor, corner of the dining table. All work. No room? Claim a small corner. 1 shelf, 1 tray, 1 spot. When you sit there, your brain learns. Study mode. It doesn't need to be a whole room. Just your spot. Here are my favorite zero-cost hacks. And yes, you definitely have all of this at home. A cute mug, you love arrow pen holder. Pick one that makes you smile. A shoebox arrow, wrap it in wrapping paper or an old magazine page. Instant aesthetic notebook holder. Free. Done. Empty jars to clips, sticky notes, erasers. Looks so clean. Washi tape to label. Add color. Make dividers. Costs almost nothing. Makes everything look intentional. A small tray arrow instant chaos tray. Makes random stuff look organized. Don't ask why, it just works. Oh, and one more thing nobody talks about. Cable chaos. You know that moment when your charger slides off the desk for the 47th time and you question every life decision you've ever made? Take a binder clip it to the edge of your desk, thread your charger cable through the metal loop. It stays. It's clean. You're welcome. Your physical desk might be sorted now, but if your screen looks like a tornado hit it, we still have a problem. This is the part everyone skips. And why you clean your whole desk, then open your laptop and immediately lose the will to live. I'd sit down, open my laptop, 47 tabs, desktop chaos, notifications every 30 seconds. All that calm? Gone instantly. 2 fixes that actually work. 1 folder on your desktop called Current. Only what you're working on this week. Everything else out of sight. And Do Not Disturb goes on before you sit down, not after you've already been distracted for 20 minutes. Make it a ritual. Phone silent, phone slightly behind you. Not beside you where you can see every notification judging you. And if you share a room, your headphones are your do not disturb sign. Wear them even if you're not listening to anything. People just don't interrupt. I've tested this extensively. It works every time. And the next part? Probably the most underrated thing on this entire list. Okay, this part is my favorite, and honestly, nobody talks about it enough. Natural light is everything. Sit near a window if you can. Sunlight keeps you awake and boosts your mood. If that's not an option, warm LED light is way cozier than harsh white light. And twinkle lights, hear me out. They're not just cute, they make your space feel inviting instead of that stressful, I'll fail everything energy. Twinkle lights for vibe, lamp for focus, both. Scent. This sounds extra, but listen. Peppermint tea bag near your desk. Not drinking it, just open nearby. Keeps me alert. Or candle/essential oil, lavender or eucalyptus for focus. The focus hoodie. This is my thing and I will defend it forever. I have one specific hoodie. Soft, cozy, only worn during study sessions. The second I put it on, my brain goes, okay, bestie, we're doing this. It sounds silly. It is silly. It works perfectly. Find your version. A hoodie, a specific scrunchie, a playlist that only plays during study time. Make it a ritual and your brain will start showing up automatically. When your space looks good, smells good, and feels good. Sitting down to study stops feeling like a punishment. But here's the part I promised I'd come back to. The one habit that makes everything else actually stick. Every night before I sleep, I do a 2-minute desk reset. Not deep cleaning, not reorganizing, just chaos tray cleared, one pen back in its mug, notebook closed, water bottle off the desk. Done. 2 minutes. That is genuinely all it takes. Here's why it works. You're not cleaning for today. You're setting up for tomorrow, you. Who gets to just sit down and start. No, where do I even begin? No staring at chaos before you've even had breakfast. Just start. I used to think I'd do it in the morning. Morning me never did. Morning me was delusional. So night me leaves a little gift. Your desk should be ready for tomorrow before you close your eyes tonight. Try it for 3 days. Just 3. Then come tell me what happened. Real talk. Your desk either helps you or it works against you. There's no in between. And now you have the system. Pick one thing from this video and do it today. Just one. Tell me in the comments which tip you're trying first. And if you have a video idea you want me to make next, drop it too. Your suggestions literally shape what I make. See you there.